Hi, I'm Ty. Got your corner? I've got mine. Let's read together. Today's book comes from the Clever Factory Incorporated collection. I'll add the link to my description box. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share with friends so we can all read together. Okay, let's read. Mama loves you. Love is when we snuggle tight and keep each other warm. Love is when we care for one another when one's not feeling well. Love is when we sing together to brighten up our day. Love is when Mama says, "I love you, little one, because you mean the world to me." The end. I can do all things, small things, hard things. I can do all things through Christ, who gives me and you strength. Philippians 4:13. God bless you. Bye-bye.